In this video, we are going to solve for the inertial observers A and B approaching and receding with uniform velocity v. We are going to draw the fundamental k-factor diagrams. We are going to consider two observers at rest, the observer A, the observer B, and occur an event in the world line of the observer A, and this travel to the velocity of the light to the world line of the observer B. This is the event G, for example, and this is the event G prima. And this event is descending to the observer A with the velocity of the light too. And this event here is B prima. Occur other event in the world line of A, and this event is sending to B and rescending from B to A, and this event is the event H, the event H prima, and the event H B prima. Note that the length of the interval of time is t, is t2, and it is t2. In this case, we have that the k-factor is equal to 1. This is because both observers are at rest. What happens if the observer A is at rest and observer B is moving with velocity v and is descending? In this case, if we have an event in the world line of the observer A, and this event travels to the velocity of the light to the observer B, the event G, for example, in this case is G prima, and this event is descending to the observer A, and this is the event GB prima. And again, we have other event, the event H, and in this case is H prima, and this event is descending to the observer A. In this case, note that this event T has this length, and in this case, this event is longer. Then this event is multiplied with a k-factor. This k-factor is greater than 0, and when this interval of time is represented in the world line of the observer A, we have that the interval of time is longer too. Then in this case we have k-factor that multiply k-factor times t. Then we have k-factor to square times t. Then In this case, the intervals are increasing. T, k multiplied for t, and k multiply for t and for t again. In this case, we have a red shift. Finally, when the observer B is approaching to the observer A with the observer A at rest 2, we have this diagram. If we have the event in this moment in the word line of A, this event is received for in observer B in this moment. This is the event G, the event G prima, and this event, if it is receding, this event travels in this manner. Remember that this angle is 45 degrees because this is the velocity of the light in this kind of diagrams. If we have other event, the event H, in this moment, there is other event that travel to the velocity of light 2. We have that this event arrive in the line of the word line of V in this moment. This interval of time, again, is different to this interval. But in this case, this interval is smaller than this interval. Then in this case, it's multiplied for k again, but in this case is at the k at -1. If the event H is receding to the observer A, we have that the interval is smaller, it's much smaller. How many? This event is k that multiply for k, but in this case, that k factors has the power of -1. -1. Then the interval has the k factor, k -2. Okay, in this case is red shift. In this case is blue shift. We have blue shift. Okay, I hope that this video will be useful for you, and I see you in the next video.